Let's play the Bristol Bird Quiz! I'll show you a Bristol bird and give you a few seconds before telling the answer. Let's go. Number 1. It's a blackbird. Number 2. A herring gull. Number 3. Robin. Number 4. A wood pigeon. Number 5. Who is that hiding in there? It's a blue tit. Number 6. Don't eat that, mate. That's a lesser blackback gull. Number 7. A redwing. Number 8. A magpie. Number 9. It's a grey heron. Number 10. A dunnock. And that's it. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. Follow me for more bird stuff, and thanks for playing the Bristol Bird Quiz.